We got two John Deere 13.5s. This 13.5's for a 9030 series. Fits some of the 70 series combines. Here's an IT4. Fits the first generation 9R tractors. Also fits some of the combines. These are good used long blocks. So 615R W401 is an IT4. This one was missing. This came out of a 9530. It's missing the tag, so it'd be a 6135 HRW 01 or 04. So these don't last long. We just got them ready, not been rebuilt, just good used, but they're ready to drop in. So if we can help you out on one, you can check them out online or give us a call.